Tezos value equivalent to 14.62 rands a coin. The present cost range, 14.15–14.82. The earlier day close, 14.41. The change was plus 0, 21, plus 1, 46%. Converse rate, ZAR to XDZ. Tezos cost expectation for November 2024. To start with, cost at 10.44 rands. Exorbitant cost 10.44, while low cost 8.16. The found the middle value of cost 9.45. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 8.77. Change for November 16.0%. Tezos gauge for December 2024. To start with, cost at 8.77 rands. Exorbitant cost 10.24, while low cost 8.77. The found the middle value of cost 9.34. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 9.57. Change for December 9th. 1%. Tezos cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset, cost at 9.57 rands. Excessive cost 11.88, while low cost 9.57. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.53. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 11.10. Change for January 16th. 6%. Tezos conjecture for February 2025. At the outset, cost at 11.10 rands. Excessive cost 11.46, while low cost 9.96. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 10.81. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 10.71. Change for February 3.5%. Tezos cost expectation for Walk 2025. First and foremost, cost at 10.71 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.29, while low cost 10.71. The found the middle value of cost 11.78. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 12.42. Change for spring 16.0%. Tezos estimate for April 2025. First and foremost, cost at 12.42 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.71, while low cost 12.42. The found the middle value of cost 13.33. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 13.75. Change for April 10th. 7%. Tezos cost expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at 13.75 rands. Excessive cost 16.11, while low cost 13.75. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.67. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 15.06. Change for May 9th. 5%. Tezos conjecture for June 2025. At the outset, cost at 15.06 rands. Excessive cost 16.01, while low cost 13.91. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.99. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 14.96. Change for June's of 0.7%. Tezos cost expectation for July 2025. In the first place, cost at 14.96 rands. Exorbitant cost 14.96, while low cost 12.29. The found the middle value of cost 13.86. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 13.22. Change for July 11.6%. Tezos estimate for August 2025. First and foremost, cost at 13.22 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.75, while low cost 11.95. The found the middle value of cost 12.94. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 12.85. Change for August 2.8%. Tezos cost expectation for September 2025. First and foremost, cost at 12.85 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.96, while low cost 12.14. The found the middle value of cost 13.7. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 13.05. Change for September 1st. 6%. Tezos gauge for October 2025. To start with, cost at 13.05 rands. Exorbitant cost 13.62, while low cost 11.84. The found the middle value of cost 12.81. Tezos cost gauge toward the month's end 12.73. Change for October 2.5%. Tezos cost expectation for November 2025. To start with, cost at 12.73 rands. Exorbitant cost 12.73, while low cost 10.88. The found the middle value of cost 12.01. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 11.70, change for November 8.1%. Tezos conjecture for December 2025. At the outset cost at 11.70 rands, excessive cost 11.98, while low cost 10.42. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 11.33. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 11.20, change for December 4.3%. Tezos cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at 11.20 rands, excessive cost 13.45, while low cost 11.20. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 12.11. Tezos cost conjecture toward the month's end 12.57, change for January 12th, 2%. Tezos estimate for February 2026. First and foremost cost at 12.57 rands, exorbitant cost 15.60, while low cost 12.57. Found the middle value of cost 13.83. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 14.58, change for February 16th, 0%. Tezos cost expectation for Walk 2026. First and foremost cost at 14.58 rands, exorbitant cost 15.85, while low cost 13.77. Found the middle value of cost 14.75. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 14.81, change for spring 1.6%. Tezos gauge for April 2026. In the first place cost at 14.81 rands, exorbitant cost 16.10, while low cost 14.7. Found the middle value of cost 14.99. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 15.05, change for April 1st, 6%. Tezos cost expectation for May 2026. First and foremost cost at 15.05 rands, exorbitant cost 16.29, while low cost 14.15. Found the middle value of cost 15.18. Tezos cost estimate toward the month's end 15.22, change for May 1st, 1%. Tezos figure for June 2026. Initially cost at 15.22 rands, excessive cost 16.29, while low cost 14.15. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 15.22. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 15.22, change for June 0.0%. Tezos cost expectation for July 2026. Before all else cost at 15.22 rands, excessive cost 15.22, while low cost 12.66. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.18. Tezos cost figure toward the month's end 13.61, change for July 10.6%. Tezos